Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about deck coverage. Are decks covered when it comes to your flood insurance? Are they covered under the National Flood Insurance Program? Are they covered under private? How exactly are they covered? Those are some things we want to talk about today. As you can see here behind me, the decks on the back of this house are attached to the house. When it comes to flood insurance and it comes to certain structures, anything that is permanently attached to your home is going to be covered under your dwelling coverage. That's if you have a National Flood Insurance Program policy, you generally have the dwelling coverage, personal contents, and that's pretty much it when it comes to the National Flood Insurance Program policy. However, if you have a private flood, you might have a little more detailed coverage like additional living expenses, personal contents, replacement on those contents, dwelling, maybe attached structures, like a deck here. So when it comes to your flood insurance, yes, your deck could and should be covered if you've got the right coverage on there and you've got it listed correctly, since it's permanently attached to your structure. Now, here's the other question we get all the time. Hey, my house isn't in a high-risk flood zone, but my deck is. Do I have to have flood insurance? And the answer to that question is yes. Because the deck is considered to be part of the permanently attached structure, if only your deck is in that high-risk flood zone but your house isn't, it's still going to be required unless you remove the deck. Now, if you remove the deck, you could have a surveyor come in and redo a survey that shows FEMA that, hey, my structure's no longer in there because we removed the deck. But if something like a deck or steps throws your property into a high-risk flood zone, then unfortunately the entire structure is in a high-risk flood zone. So if you've got questions about how is your deck covered, or maybe a deck is having a major impact on your flood insurance rates, please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. You can go to our Facebook and our YouTube channels, The Flood Insurance Guru. You can give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation. So that means that we can help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and help you mitigate your property long term. Thank you.